Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On today's episode, we're talking once again about Ardbeg. This is the 20 something, a single malt scotch. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell. Matt, you want to tell me a little bit more about this particular
Wow.
single
I have
malt
this
scotch?
really cool sample vial, courtesy of our friend donated by Nathan Ewing, also a fellow whiskey sommelier. This is some amazing. He's an amazing man, and he donated some really cool stuff back in 2018. We're filing a review for you guys. Like I said, this is the Ardbeg 20 something. This is the 2018, which is the 22-year version of this, and it is 46.4%, so not super high. This is, of course, back in the day when Ardbeg was almost closed in the early 90s. They were saved by Glenmorangie back in 1997 when they decided to buy them. Thank God. 2016, they were modernized and restored to production glory. This series started in 2016 with the last batch of the bad times, they call it, back when they started with a 21 year in 2016 and a 23 in 2017. But this one is ex-bourbon distilled on the old still that's now certainly sits on the front lawn in front of the new distillery. What a cool place for a still. All right, so let's see what we think of this old, amazing 22-year Ardbeg. I'm stoked. Good Lord. Meaty,
Ooh.
lemon lime, smoked fish, sea
Smoked
salt,
salmon,
black pepper,
smoked
sweet
pig,
pineapple.
yeah,
Lots of white pork. Yeah, pork
smoked
chops.
pineapple,
Peach, a little bit of lavender, honeysuckle. It was some of this
mint.
earthy mushroom funk. Periwinkle, super dirty. Like fresh drywall, a little blueberry. Oh, good gosh. That's absurd.
It's like a cherry syrup wrapped in smoke.
That's one of the, oh my God. Yeah, it really is.
There's chocolate.
This is the happy place tonight. It's just a happy place.
Oh, it's absolutely glorious.
Man, you know. I know we've reviewed. I hadn't been reviewed with Ardbeg in a while. Like this is back when like things that made you fall in love with Ardbeg. It's stuff like this. Like this is that old dirty Ardbeg that I just love.
Yes.
Like we've done, we reviewed a lot of committee releases in the last year or two. Like this blows them all away.
Absolutely.
Like, this is way better. Yeah,
well,
I think
the depth of age just on the nose alone is absolutely incredible. The layers of flavors are just beyond expectation.
I'm getting like this, like a peppercorn covered in chocolate, a little ranch dressing even. It's super interesting.
It's. I can understand what you're saying, but to me, it's the powder ranch dressing, not actually made.
Yeah, the stuff you throw in there.
But it's on top of a pig already.
Yeah. It's like it's total like pork chops. Oh my gosh, that's just we have to drink. This is stupid.
Yeah, ranch pork chops. That's not far off.
Oh yeah. Oh, that glorious meaty smoked pineapple, such brine and salty black pepper. Oh, pear, peach. It's like billowing ash, raging bonfire smoke, an angry ocean spray, a little bit of lavender in there, and smoked ham going over with a spit. Ooh, it's like rotten cantaloupe, mango, even a little rotting flesh finish. Oh, good gosh.
It's iodine and soot. It's mushroom fungal. It's almost like a chocolate covered mushroom.
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty accurate. It's very fungi.
It's so smoky. It's so densely rich.
Oh, good Lord. That's amazing. Truly amazing whiskey.
The depth of age is prevalent, but to me, not as much as some of the others that we've tasted.
Wow.
It's rich, it's viscous. The layers are absolutely phenomenal.
It's chocolate covered smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really is. Oh my gosh, that's just ridiculous. Well, Nathan, thank you. You're an amazing human being.
The layer of pork is not nearly as prevalent on the palate to me
It's
as
not.
it was on the nose, which I'm kind of missing.
Yeah, but I really like it.
Oh, but it's so good. It's so good.
It's so good.
Mm.
Yeah,
All
back
right.
in the day, they weren't horribly crazy. Like $250, I think, back in the day. Weren't crazy expensive. I mean,
Yeah.
to me, this would be completely worth that.
That's not that bad for
No.
what this is.
Oh, well, once again, thanks, Nathan. You're awesome.
Thank you, Mr. Huey. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. And if you're really interested, come check out the Patreon page for some behind-the-scenes footage. And until next time, keep on crusading for the whiskey in your glass.
Cheers. Saving the last sips of these in separate glasses here.
It's almost a minty finish too, like a
Oh my gosh, it
Lagavulin
is. That's unique.
You get
Wow.
that send off like the Lagavulin 16.
Yeah, like double and go. That's
All
good.
right.